How to use the evolutions feature in EAFC. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is how to use evolutions. The first thing you want to do is simply go to your ultimate team menu and go to club. Simply tap on evolutions and check all the active accounts or endorsements and their requirements of grade and expiry time. You can also select an evolution attacking mid upgrade, key upgrades, and many more. And you can also add your check or beginner requirements like overall max 84, pace max 60, position CAM, PlayStation style max 7, in another world, or evolution not a lone player, and rarity. If that doesn't work for you, you can simply go ahead and select your player and simply go ahead and start confirming your thing. Keep in mind your Ronaldo is also going to be there. If none of it is working, simply try uninstalling and reinstalling the game itself. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.